Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. This is Abdul Raqib Nadwi. Welcome to spoken English class through Urdu, Jamia Madinatul Ulum Shikaripur. Guys, today in this video I am going to talk about why to learn English, because it is most frequently asked question by people who want to learn English, but they have lot of questions like, why should we learn English? What is the importance of English? What is the necessity of English? Is it important to learn English? And so on. So guys, let's know what are those reasons which force you to learn English at any cost. Number one, English is widely spoken language all over the world. It is an international and global language. In other words, English is a business language. Over 2 billion people speak English, and around in 100 countries, English is spoken as an official and primary language, although it is a secondary language. Number two, English gives you many opportunities to succeed in your life. For example, if you are seeking employment, so knowing English provides you more chances to getting good job in multinational companies. Number three, English helps you while traveling. Suppose you have to travel to different countries and you need to interact with people. So knowing English is very helpful for you at that strangest situation. Otherwise, you can face many adversities and difficulties at that moment. Number four, English develops your personality and grows your confidence in yourself. Number five, English makes you great and smarter than other person who don't know English very well. Overall, English is very important, it is very necessary, and it is required everywhere. So guys, at the end, I would like to say that better English, better life. So guys, if you are confused, if you are feeling shame, if you are still thinking about learning English, stop thinking and start learning, because you know that English is extremely important in this modern life. So guys, thanks for watching this video. I will be back with more videos. Till then, bye. Take care.